Sethi Polymers, manufacturer of high-quality industrial packaging. Every package carries trust. Every delivery builds confidence. At Sethi Polymers, we don't just manufacture packaging products. We create solutions that protect, preserve, and perform. Driven by innovation, powered by technology, and guided by values, Sethi Polymers is one of the leading manufacturers of industrial packaging in NCR and beyond. Our investment in the latest machinery, advanced infrastructure, and cutting-edge technology ensures that every product meets global standards. We don't just deliver products, we deliver efficiency, consistency, and excellence. Our wide range of products are designed to serve every industry need. Air bubble wrapping rolls, lightweight, flexible, and protective. Corrugated rolls, recyclable, durable, eco-friendly. Polythene bags, safe, cost-effective, and available in multicolor options. LLDPE tubes and sheets, high tearing strength, resistant to stress and chemicals. Shipping, secondary and mono cartons. Customized for every demand. Stretch films, ultra-safe, secure and hygienic packaging solutions. Why choose Sethi Polymers? At Sethi Polymers, we manufacture to order, ensuring that every sheet, every roll, every carton is tailored to meet your exact requirements. With every innovation, every product and every delivery, we don't just meet expectations. We set new benchmarks. Sethi Polymers is not just about packaging. It's about protecting progress, enabling growth, and delivering trust. Because for us, any time is the right time. We're always open. Sethi Polymers, prompt, efficient, reliable.